we are going to learn about triangles. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the similarity of the triangles. Similarity of the triangles, similar figures. What is similarity? That we are going to study. In last or from last 2 to 3 classes, we have learned what are congruent figures. Correct? You all knows what are congruent figures. Congruent figures, as the name comes, congruent. Congruent means what? Congruent means the figures that have same size and same shape. Congruent are same shape. Their shape should be same and their size also should be same. Same shape and same size. We can also say same shape and same size as the Xerox copy. Whenever we take out the Xerox copy, nothing changes there. Shape also comes same and size also comes same. Right? We can take anything. Means suppose page number 118 from your book and your friend's book will be congruent to each other because each and everything there is having same shape and same size. We have also learned when two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. So we have learned there if corresponding angles, if angles and sides, if all the angles and all the sides of a triangle is congruent with or is equal with the another corresponding sides and corresponding angles of the another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. Congruent means exact, the shape and size. Later on, if we come towards similar, what are similar figures? So, similar figures are nothing but the figures which are having same shape, but they might have, means it is not compulsory that they should have a same size. Yeah, they should have a same shape. उनका शेप सेम होना ही चाहिए, बट साइज में और may not be same, may or may not be same. ठीक है? Here both should be same shape and size. Here there should be same shape, but size may or may not be same. Size same हो या ना हो, फिर भी figures similar हो सकते हैं. ठीक है? We can take a example of this. Suppose circle is there. This one is circle. ठीक है? When circles are or how circles are said to be congruent by knowing its radius. अगर दोनों की रेडियस सेम है तो दोनों सर्कल कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेंगे. लेकिन अब देखो, मतलब अगर यहाँ पे मैं दो सर्कल निकालता हूँ, these two are two circles. Okay. Now suppose the radius of this circle is 3 centimeter and radius of this circle is also 3 centimeter. Correct? Now what we can say, these two circles have same shape, both are circles shape and both have same size, both are of radius 3 centimeter. But here if I take this circle is of radius 4 centimeter and this circle is of radius 3 centimeter. Now shape is same, both are circles, so shape is same, but size may or may not be same. Size having radius 3 centimeter. That's why these are called as congruent figures and these are called as similar figures. These are called as congruent, these are called as similar. Tell me whether these figures are similar or not. क्या ये similar है? Are these two similar? Similar में क्या है? Same shape. Are they having same shape? Yes, both are circles, right? May or may not have same size. May be same size है दोनों की. So it will be a similar figure also. So from this, what we can say? Congruent figures. Congruent figures are always similar. Always similar. हर कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर क्या रहेगी? सिमिलर. क्योंकि सिमिलर के लिए सिर्फ एक कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होना जरूरी है, लेकिन कॉन्ग्रुएंट में वो भी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है, उसके साथ में और दूसरी भी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है. तो एवरी कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर्स आर ऑलवेज सिमिलर. बट टेल मी if it is a similar figure, correct? Is similar figure congruent? क्या ये दोनों congruent हो सकोगे आप? नहीं. They have same shape but they don't have same size. इसके लिए दोनों भी कंडीशन satisfy होना जरूरी है. So the second point that we got is similar figures may or may not be congruent. अब मैंने may or may not be क्यों लिखा है? ये सिमिलर फिगर अगर आपने बोल दिया तो ये सिमिलर फिगर को आप congruent भी बोल सकते हो. The similar figure which have same size and same shape are congruent. So similar figures may or may not be congruent. But every congruent figure is always similar to each other. ठीक है? These are the two important points that we came to know from these two. ठीक है? What are congruent? Same shape, same size. What are similar? The shape should be same, size may differ. अब मैं और एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ सिमिलर का आपको. ठीक है? आपका एक फोटो लो, ठीक है, उसको जूम करो. ठीक है? जूम करने के बाद में क्या होता है? जब भी आप उसको जूम करोगे तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि ऐसा दिखता है आपको कि आपका चेहरा बढ़ रहा है और बाकी सब एज इट इज रह रहा है, इरेगुलर बढ़ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ दिखता है कि नहीं? जैसा यहाँ पे जो पर्सन जो प्रोपोर्शन में रहा, रेशो में रहा होगा, वही रेशो में ये भी बढ़ेगा. वो रेशो में ये भी बढ़ेगा. अगर उसमें एक चीज दिए, अगर सपोज व्हाट वी कैन से दैट इन डिफरेंट थिंग आल्सो वी कैन से मॉडल ऑफ द स्कूल एंड एक्चुअल स्कूल आर सिमिलर मॉडल्स. इनको क्या बोलेगा? बस सिमिलर मॉडल्स. यू माइट हैव अगेन वन एग्जांपल, यू माइट हैव सीन मेनी टाइम्स, जब भी आपका घर बना होगा तो आपका घर बनने के पहले इंजीनियर्स यूज्ड टू गिव एन मैप. So that map and your actual building or your plot is an similar to each other. They are not congruent to each other. They are similar to each other, right? क्योंकि ये इतना पेपर है, इतने पेपर पे आप अगर आपके एक रूम का 10 फीट होगा तो 10 फीट तो इसके ऊपर नहीं गिरा सकता हो, तो वो 10 फीट को 10 सेंटीमीटर दे देता है. लेकिन जब आप 10 सेंटीमीटर कागज पे दिया और पेपर पे दिया है तो उसको आप रूम बनाते वक्त 10 फीट की बनाओगे आप. बराबर है ना? 10 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स टू 10 फीट हो जाएगा फिर वो, या जो कोई भी उसने स्केल दिया होगा. So that's why we always used to write scale on the graph. आपने देखा होगा that I have told you many times that if you should not write the scale on the graph आपका किसी ने फोटो खींचा तो आप ऐसा देखते हो क्या? आप एक्चुअल में आपका इतना है और उसमें ऐसा बड़ा निकला? नो. So that are in proportion. That are in proportion. So you might have understood what are the difference between the congruent and the similar figures. Similar figure must mean that same shape should be there, but the size may differ. Okay. Now talking about similar polygons. Talking about the similar polygons. Now polygon means you all know a simple closed curve made up of sides is made up of 9 segment is called as a polygon. The polygon is of 3 side triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं जो polygons है. Now when polygons are similar to each other, so the important thing is when they are similar to each other. अब ये similar कब होते हैं देखो. So I will also take with that we will compare both here also. Congruent and similar. So congruent में आपने पढ़ा था incongruent polygon और incongruent triangle. Triangle is also one of the polygon. तो आपने क्या देखा था? If the polygon is congruent, then it must have its corresponding angles. Equal, उसके corresponding angles equal होना चाहिए, correct? And the second is its corresponding sides should also be equal. Corresponding angles and corresponding sides also should be equal. Now, if you want an example of this, suppose I have taken this square or anything it is a quadrilateral. So if we अब ये मैंने निकाला वाला कैसा है आप देख लो. A B C D E F G H. When these are congruent, when corresponding angles are equal. अगर ये A 60 डिग्री है, 160 डिग्री है सपोज, ये 40 डिग्री है, ठीक है, ये 100 डिग्री है, ठीक है. 160 प्लस 40 is 200 प्लस 100 is 300 और ये कितना रहेगा फिर 60 डिग्री. और यहाँ पे भी ऐसा दिया है, ये 160 डिग्री है, ये 40 है, ये 100 डिग्री है and this one is 60 degree. This is 4 4 4 4 4. जब ऐसा करेंगे 4 5 4 5. Okay. Now what we can see here, see if we write corresponding word is very important. अगर corresponding word नहीं है या आपने अगर corresponding sides और corresponding angle नहीं देखे तो it will be totally wrong. Now you can see in quadrilateral A B C D. अब इसको corresponding बराबर होना जरूरी है. A is 160, E is 160, B कितना है सेकंड लेटर 40, तो F 40 है. आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे A के साथ कौन correspond है E means E, B के साथ F, C के साथ ये G and with D H. So we can say that in triangle ABCD and in triangle EFGH, see now AB4, AB should be equals to EF. जब भी correspondence आएगा AB should be EF, दोनों 4 सेंटीमीटर है. BC should be equals to FG, BC 5, FG 5, corresponding sides equal. CD should be equals to GH. CD is how much? CD is 4, GH is also 4, corresponding sides are again equal. AD should be equals to EH, AD 5, EH 5, corresponding sides equal. Means in this figure, all the corresponding angles and all the corresponding sides also are equal. Therefore, these two quadrilaterals will called and congruent quadrilaterals and congruent polygons. Right? Have you understand what are congruent polygons? Now, talking about the similar. Talking about the similar. तो similar के बारे में अगर अपने विचार किया तो similar figures क्या होते हैं? देखो, इसमें पहला पॉइंट आएगा yes corresponding angles are equal. All corresponding angles should be equal. इसमें भी इक्वल है, इसमें भी इक्वल है, सभी corresponding angles क्या होना चाहिए? Equal. And the second point is that corresponding sides should be in same ratio. Corresponding sides have same ratio. Same ratio. अब यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट सेम है, corresponding angles are same, corresponding angles are same. दूसरा corresponding sides are equal, but your corresponding side should have same ratio. यहाँ पे इक्वल होना जरूरी नहीं है, जैसा अपन ने पढ़ा था सिमिलर फिगर्स में, that shape should be same, but its size may or may not be same. तो इसलिए corresponding sides अगर proportion में होते हैं, same ratio means what? Proportion. अगर proportion में होते हैं, तो भी दो फिगर्स एक में को क्या रहते हैं? Similar to each other. लेकिन corresponding angles equal होना ही चाहिए. ठीक है? We'll take one of the figure or we can take this one also. या एक figure ले लो आप. Again I am taking the quadrilateral only. Suppose here PQRS and MY. PQTS AR and Y. Now we'll check in this. Suppose 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Right? Or change this, it will become congruent only. So we will take the corresponders. So ये suppose है, अब ध्यान नहीं देना, 6 8 10 2 4. ठीक है? Now suppose this one is 60 100 140 and I think 60 40 degree. 140 plus 60 is 200, 200 plus 100 is 300 and 300 plus 60 is 360 degree. So this is suppose 60, this is suppose 100, this is suppose 140 and this is suppose 60 degree. Approximate measure I have taken. Now see here corresponding angle. Here angle P is equals to angle A. Angle R is equals to angle S. Correct? Angle P is equals to angle A. Angle S is equals to angle R. Then angle T is equals to angle M. Now check corresponding sides. Check PS. PS is corresponds to AR. So PS is 4, AR is 8. So 1 upon 2. Then ST upon corresponding side is RM. ST is 5, RM is 10. Again 1 by 2, 5 on the 5 goes up. Then again 2 left. QT and YM. It is 2, YM is 4, means again 1 by 2. Then PQ corresponds to AY. So it is 3, it is 6, 3, 6. Again 1 by 2. What you are saying, see, everyone's ratio is same. Means the ratio of corresponding sides. Ratio of corresponding sides everywhere is coming same. So what we can say that these figures have, these two polygons have corresponding angles equal, and corresponding sides have same ratio, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. सबके रेशियो सेम है. Therefore we can write here quadrilateral or polygon PSTQ is similar to what? 1 minute. Is similar to what we can write? ARMY. Is similar to ARMY. So PSTQ correspondence देखो PSTQ ARMY is similar to quadrilateral ARMY. Why it is similar? Now you have understood, I think, because the angles are equal and the corresponding sides have same ratio. If the corresponding sides have same ratio and the angles are congruent or angles are equal, then the figures are always similar to each other. अब इधर देखो, इधर भी corresponding angles same है, ठीक है? और जब आप इनका रेशियो निकालोगे, AB upon EF देखो, AB upon EF 4 upon 4 1, BC upon FG देखो, BC 5, FG 5, 5 upon 5 again 1. Then CD upon GH देखो, CD 4, GH 4, again 4 upon 4 1. Again AD upon EH देखो, AD 5, EH 5, 5 upon 5, it is always again equals to 1. Means these two figures also have their corresponding sides in same ratio. So these also figures are said to be similar to each other. तो इसके पहले अपन ने दो सेंटेंस लिखे थे कि congruent figures are always similar to each other, and hence here we have proved that yes, congruent figures are always similar to each other. Understand? So this is how the two triangles or two polygons we can say are congruent to each other. ठीक है, ये चीजें आपको अच्छी तरीके से ध्यान रखनी, कब congruent और कब similar होते हैं. इसके अंदर दोनों भी इक्वल चाहिए, उसके अंदर एंगल्स इक्वल बट साइड्स शुड बी इन प्रोपोर्शन. करस्पॉन्डेंस ये वर्ड कभी भी भूलना नहीं है आपको. कॉन्ग्रुएंसी भी नहीं और yes again in similarity also. This word is very important. Correspondence, अगर correspondence नहीं होता है तो फिर कोई फायदे का नहीं है. That two will be then not congruent also and not similar also. Now in exercise 6.1 it is asked that fill in the blanks and some easy questions are there for you. So that will be your only work, but we will साइज में डिफर, अगर साइज डिफर करता है तो सिमिलरिटी को कोई फर्क नहीं गिरेगा, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर सिमिलर। ऑल डैश आर सिमिलर, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल या इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल। आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल का कोई भरोसा नहीं है, ट्रायंगल्स डिफर करते हैं, एंगल्स डिफर करते हैं, लेकिन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल में सभी एंगल 60 डिग्री के ही होते हैं। कितना भी छोटा ट्रायंगल निकालो इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, या कितना भी बड़ा इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल निकालो आप, you will get each angle of the equilateral triangle 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree। इसलिए सभी एंगल्स इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल के क्या होते हैं, सेम ही होते हैं। अगर ये 3 तो ये भी 3 रहेगा, ये भी 3 रहेगा, ये 5 तो ये भी 5, ये भी 5, ये भी 5 ही रहेगा। अब आप रेशियो निकालो 3/5, 3/5, 3/5, मतलब रेशियो कैसा आ रहा है, इक्वल, करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल आ रहा है और एंगल्स इक्वल है, इसका मतलब दो फिगर्स सिमिलर है। सो इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल्स विल ऑलवेज बी सिमिलर टू ईच अदर। नेक्स्ट, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Number A, if their corresponding angles कैसे होना चाहिए, equal, and their corresponding sides should be proportion or in same ratio, जो भी वहां पे दिया होगा proportion। Second question is, give two different examples of pair of similar figure and non-similar figure। यहाँ पे दो सम दिए, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, two circles, these are the examples of similar figure। two isosceles triangle or figures which are having same angle but different sides, ठीक है, वो क्या होंगे, नॉन सिमिलर, मतलब प्रोपोर्शन में नहीं आना चाहिए, लेकिन they may be non similar। many figures, many names are there, you can give any figures, any names to it। State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not। While seeing only we can say एक पॉलीगॉन ऐसा दिया गया है क्वाड्रिलेटरल और एक बेचारा ऐसा है। यहाँ पे ये साइन दे दिया, इसका मतलब आपको समझ में आ गया, ईच ऑफ 90 डिग्री, ये 90 डिग्री नहीं है, लेकिन सिमिलर फिगर के लिए आपको एंगल्स सरीके होना जरूरी है, इक्वल होना जरूरी है। तो व्हाट वी कैन से हियर, these two figures cannot be similar to each other। reason, because they don't have equal angles, corresponding sides देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। एक satisfy नहीं कर रहा है तो दूसरे की तरफ जाओ ही मत, ठीक है। and the main condition is corresponding angles, वो आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, they are not equal, so these two figures will not be similar to each other। so this is how we have finished the similar polygons and similar figures। after this we will start our interesting topic, that is theorems, okay। and I know you all are very happy to start this lesson and very happy to or very eager to solve the questions of this lesson। so we will solve interactively, okay, and we will make this lesson very easy, okay। thank you।